This is a do-it-yourself, homemade hand sanitizer formula endorsed by the World Health Organization, WHO, with the quantity scaled down for home use. The formula calls for 1 cup of 99% isopropyl alcohol, 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide, and 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Before you start, put on glasses or goggles to protect your eyes from accidental splashes, and extinguish all flames. You have 1 cup 99% isopropyl alcohol. If you can't find 99% alcohol, read the description section for what to do. Pour that in. All right. One tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide, 3%, which you can get in the drugstore. And 1 teaspoon of pure glycerin, available in the skincare section of your drugstore. It's thick, so be sure to stir it, get it off your teaspoon. And then we'd add water to reach the target amount of 1 1/3 cups. Let's put a cap on that to make sure it's fully mixed. Give it a few shakes. Let's fill the container, the dispensing container. Make sure you're spraying in the right direction. And there you have it, the WHO approved hand sanitizer formula. I almost forgot. Be sure to label your dispensing container hand sanitizer 75% alcohol.